Okay, next problem from variation of parameters. The problem is d square plus a square into y is equal to secant ax. We have to find a solution for this differential equation. So first of all, write auxiliary equation. Here d square plus a square means the auxiliary equation is like this: m square plus a square is equal to 0. Transposing a square to right side, it become minus, and m is equal to plus or minus square root of minus a square. Okay, so m square is equal to minus a square means we can write m as like this: plus or minus square root of minus a square, and finally it is equal to plus or minus under root a square means a, under root of minus 1 means I. Okay, so these are the roots. We know that these are imaginary roots. Plus ai minus a, both are imaginary roots. So for this type of roots, the complementary function is like this. Complementary function is c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Okay, so this is called complementary function. So using this complementary function, we write the solution, general solution. Let y is equal to a cos ax plus b sin ax is the solution of the given differential equation. Is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay, now we have to find the values of a and b. Okay, and which are these are the functions of x only. So let us to find the values of a and b, we have to choose three terms like this. U can be choosing u is equal to cos ax, v is equal to sin ax, and r is equal to secant ax. Okay, so to find the values of a and b, which are functions of x, we have to choose these three values. This cos ax can be taken as u, sin ax can be taken as v, and this secant ax can be taken as r. Okay, so next we have to find the value of u dv by dx and minus v du by dx. Okay, so this value is useful to find the values of a and b. So let us find out this value: u dv by dx minus v du by dx. So what is u here? Cos ax. Cos ax into dv by dx means we have to differentiate sin ax with respect to x. So what is the derivative of sin ax? Derivative of sin ax is nothing but a cos ax. Okay, derivative of sin means we get cos. Here x having the coefficient, in differentiation the coefficient is multiplied. Okay, minus v. What is v? Sin ax into du by dx. That means we have to differentiate u with respect to x. So what is the derivative of cos ax with respect to x? It is nothing but minus a sin ax. Okay, so take a as common from these two terms. Cos ax into cos ax. So cos square ax, here minus into minus plus, sin ax into sin ax, sin square ax. Okay, so which is equal to 1. We know that cos square, it is in the form cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is always equal to 1. Finally, u dv by dx minus v du by dx is equal to a. Okay, let us see continuation. Okay. Continuation. Next, A is equal to, the formula is minus integral V r dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx plus integration constant c1. Okay. Now substitute the values. Minus integral v means sin ax into r means secant ax by u dv by dx minus v du by dx. We have the value which is equal to a. Okay, dx plus c1. So take 1 by a outside, which is constant independent of x. Sin ax, secant ax can be written as 1 by cos ax dx plus c1. Okay, secant means 1 by cos. Okay, minus 1 by a integral sin ax by cos ax, that means tan ax dx plus c1. So what is the integral of tan ax? The formula is log mod secant ax, okay, by a, because x having the coefficient. Okay, in integration the coefficient we have to write that in denominator plus c1. So finally a is equal to like this, minus 1 by a square log mod secant ax plus c1. Okay, so this is the value of a. Next, b is equal to integral u r dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx plus c2. Okay, so where c2 is the integration constant. Now substitute the values of u and r. U means cos ax, r means secant ax by u dv by dx minus v du by dx, which is equal to a dx plus c2. So what about this cos ax into secant ax? These two are reciprocals. Okay, that means these two are cancelled each other. Cos ax into secant ax always equal to 1. Okay, both are reciprocals to each other, so they are cancelled each other. So take 1 by a outside, which is independent of x, integral dx plus c2, that is equal to 1 by a. Integral dx means it is nothing but x plus c2. So this is the value of b. Okay, now we have to substitute the values of a and b in our solution, then we get the final result. Let us see that. Okay, therefore solution, y is equal to a cos ax plus b sin ax. Okay, now we have to substitute the values. So the value of a is minus 1 by a square log mod secant ax plus c1 is there, and it is multiplied by cos ax plus b. B means x by a, 1 by a into x or x by a plus c2, and this is multiplied by sin ax. Okay, now we have to simplify this. Here first of all write this c1 into cos ax, c1 cos ax and next term is c2 sin ax, c2 sin ax, and this one minus 1 by a square log mod secant ax into cos ax. So which is equal to minus 1 by a square cos ax into log mod secant ax, and this one x by a into sin ax, okay, plus x by a into sin ax. So finally this is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, thank you.